Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Studio Class. In this session, let us learn cover letter. Regarding cover letter, I already prepared a video. The title as Cover Letter Tips and Tricks. Please find that video and watch it. You will get a lot of details about the techniques and tricks of writing cover letter. Well, this session is purely meant for knowing some samples and also solved questions. And this is prepared for first semester BCom BBA of Bengaluru North University and Bangalore University as per NEP scheme. And I am Professor Venkatarama B.R. Assistant Professor of English at Government First Grade College, Gudibande. Well, let us jump into the session. At the outset, let us know the format or the sample cover letter. Here, I have given you the sample or the format, how the cover letter should look like. The first and foremost thing is that you should write the header or the heading with contact information. I have given here XXX. It's the candidate's name. On the other side, you will see the phone number, house number, class, main, layout, city, state, country, pin code, email, etc. Followed by that, I have written the date, and then you have the recipient's information. Well, please follow this method. Though I have given some blanks, you have to fill the blanks and maintain this format for your examination. The most important part is beginning of the letter with a greeting to the manager. I have written here, dear Miss, Mr. Mrs. Insert the name of the manager. Then the opening paragraph. My name is, mention the name of. I have been looking for a company that values quality over quantity and cares for employees' growth and development. I'm glad to have come across your company. Mention the name of the company that you're applying. I came across your advertisement in website and newspaper searching for the candidate that can take up the position of a position's name. Mention the website's name or the newspaper name and also job that you're applying for in the given spaces. I believe that I meet a majority of the required qualifications and skills, and that my experience in this field will make me a strong candidate for the position. I believe that with my skills in, mention the skills relevant to the position that you are applying, I can be a valuable asset to your company. Come to the middle paragraphs. During my work in, mention the company presently you are working in, I have learned many valuable skills that helped me in all my endeavors in the company. Some of the skills that I have learned during the internship are, mention the most important skills that you have learned. I have managed to carry forward, mention a successful project that you have completed under your previous company. This endeavor has turned out to be successful with, mention the growth in sales, marketing, engagement, shares, customer satisfaction, etc. Come to the closing paragraph of this letter. That is, please have a look at the resume that I have enclosed with this letter as per your convenience. I would be grateful to have an interview session with you. If given a chance, I can prove to be a valuable asset with present skill set. Thank you for your time and for considering me as a candidate. Yours sincerely. Write the name of the candidate at last. This is the format. You can just practice yourself by filling the blanks that I have given there. Another form of sample cover letter. Here, the question will be asked in the examination as, write a cover letter for the post of Public Relations Officer at Law Force Plus Stevens, 41 East 11th Street, 6th floor, New York, NY 10003. Here I have given the example, and you could watch this example where the header is written in a perfect place. Header has the contact information with full phone number, address, email, and also you have the date line and the recipient's address. And then we have the opening paragraph also. Opening paragraph is written in different style. You please imitate this kind of letter also. Let us come to the middle paragraph. Please watch this one also. So this may be useful for you people to imitate different kind of terminology or sentence structure that will help you. Now let's come to the closing paragraph. In the closing paragraph, you'll find the last paragraph and also the sign off. Third sample cover letter. This is the example where we have taken from the previous question papers of the Samruddhi Food Products Private Limited Kolar has advertised for the post of sales manager. Reply to the advertisement with the cover letter. For this, please find this header with contact information and try to imitate like this. For this letter, we have the dear hiring manager as the greeting to the manager, because here we don't know the name of the manager, that's why it is used like this. And the most important three paragraphs of cover letter are opening paragraph, middle paragraph and closing paragraph. You can observe the three paragraphs written here, and at the end we have the sign off where the letter ends. Friends, come to another sample cover letter, the fourth one. Here it is asked, write a cover letter for the post of sales manager. Advertisement appeared in the Hindu newspaper. Here you could see the name of the applicant and the address, date line and the recipient address. This is the format of the header with contact information. After the header, here for this letter we have written Dear Deepa, and you can imagine even if things are not given in the question paper. Followed by that, as usually, we have the opening paragraph, middle paragraph and a closing paragraph for a covering letter. At the end, we have sign off. But try to imitate different kind of structures used in the paragraphs. Fifth sample cover letter. Here it is asked, the Safe PPE Kit Products Private Limited Chikbalapur has advertised for the post of manager. Reply to the advertisement with a cover letter. As usually, we have the header with the contact information. You can follow this one only. Then we have the greetings to the manager. Then followed by that, we have the opening, middle and closing paragraph. Please do compare different kind of sectors have been used in different examples. And you can try to copy your own structure that you wish to follow. Question paper. In the university level exams, up to now, only one exam has taken place. I'll take a question from Bangalore University, May 2022. And let us solve this question. The first question is, write a cover letter for the post of public relations internship at a private TV channel. Bangalore University, May 2022. This question was tested for 5 marks. Well, I have written here the first and foremost thing, that is the header with contact information. Please you try to imitate this kind of header with contact information. We have the greetings to the manager. Here I have written Dear Mr. Kunal Tagra. Just imaginative name it is. You can imagine. And then we have the opening paragraph, middle paragraph, closing paragraph, and at last we have the sign off. Please watch this kind of sentence structure also. This may help you to write your own style of covering letter. Friends, now let's come to another question paper. The question paper I have chosen is Bengaluru North University. The question was asked in the May-June 2022 examination. Let us come to the question. Write a cover letter for the post of sales manager in the University Press Publishing Company, Bangalore North University, May-June 2022. And the question was tested for 5 months. As usually, we can write the header with contact information. I have written here just XXX. You can write your name, no problem. And then you have the address, email, phone number, all these things you can write there. And afterwards, you can write the date. And followed by that, you can write recipient's name, Miss Sudha. And then you can write the address, greeting to the manager. Here I have written Dear Sudha. If name is not given anywhere in the question paper, you can imagine and write some name. Afterwards, come to the 3 important paragraphs that you require to write. That is the opening paragraph, middle paragraph, closing paragraph, and signing off. Friends, try to imitate and develop your own sentence structure to write a covering letter based on the previous examples that I have given here. And friends, that's all about the sample or format cover letters and also solved cover letters. Hopefully, you are now more confident about how you can write your examination when a question is asked on cover letter. I wish you good luck. See you in the next interesting video. Take care. Bye.